Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to tag someone on a Facebook post on mobile. If you want to tag someone in your Facebook post on mobile, it's a great way to let friends know they're included in your updates or photos. Tagging ensures the person gets a notification and makes your post more interactive. You can tag friends in the text of your post or directly on photos and videos before posting. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Now, tap on what's on your mind to start creating a new post. Here, tap on Tag People. Now, select the people you want to tag. You can also search for their names in the search bar if you don't see them on the list. Then tap on the username of the person you want to tag. After that, go back to the post screen and type something you want to share in your post. Next, tap on Photo and Video if you want to add media. Now, select the photo or video from your gallery. Then, tap on Edit before posting. Here, tap on the Tag People icon from the top. Now, tap directly on a face in the photo to tag someone. Then, search for the person's name and tap on their username to tag them. Once tagged, tap on Done from the top right corner. Now, you will see the tag added to the photo. Tap on Done again from the bottom right corner to confirm. Finally, tap on Post from the top right corner. Your photo will be posted on your profile. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.